Namaste.
Hello, Mr. Shibin.
Yes,
How
welcome.
Are you?
Welcome. Very good.
This is my new shop.
Yes.
And now I want you to tell me how can I attach barcodes and inventory
Yeah.
on all my products.
So first of all, you need to fix your barcode labels,
Okay, how?
right?
Yes.
And you have to scan
Yes.
and sell it when customer come, right?
Exactly, yes.
So there is two options.
Huh.
Option number one, you can add your products including inventory.
Okay.
For example, this particular product you are getting 10 pieces.
Yes.
This product you have, for example, 20 pieces.
Yes.
So including stock you can add.
Okay.
That is normal product added technology.
Okay.
One more technology is there, Gorilla technology.
Okay.
We will come there again.
Okay.
So first of all, I will show you how to add these products, including stock,
Yes.
and immediately how to create barcode labels.
Wow. Please show me.
Yes. So for that, we need to go to a retail ID billing software.
Yes.
India's most advanced, simple, user-friendly billing software.
That's why I got that.
Yeah. In this software, there is some buttons you can see over here.
Yes.
In the here, 4 or 5 buttons are there.
Yes.
With these buttons, you can control entire software.
Oh,
That much powerful buttons are these.
okay.
So go to the second button, go products, add.
Okay.
You can click on the new button, new products. You are going to add a new product.
Uh-huh.
And currently in this software, there is no product at all.
Oh, yes. Okay.
No inventory we added. Just
Yes.
it's a
It's a new
software
one. Yeah.
blank.
Okay.
And now we are going to add your first product.
Yes.
For example, bat.
Yes.
Bat with a ball. Okay. We can type it directly. Bat. Ball. This is same like Excel sheet.
Okay.
You can, for example, which price you purchased it. For
Okay.
example, 50 rupees.
50 rupees.
Example.
Yes.
So you add your purchase price 50 rupees. Enter. For example, your opening stock. 10 pieces you have. Example.
Yes.
10 pieces. Enter MR. And you have two options. For example, you have MRP and sale price.
Yes.
So maybe your MRP is 120 rupees
Yes.
and your sale price is 110 rupees. Okay, like that.
Right.
Just click on enter, that's it. Product already saved.
Oh,
And
wow.
yes,
Yes.
your inventory already added, stock is already added, that's it.
So
Anyone.
it's so easy. You can
So
see
easy.
so many products I have.
This is one by one way we are adding
Right.
the products.
Yes.
Now another one more option is there, Gorilla, we are coming there.
Okay. Okay.
So before that, the added products label you want to print.
Yes.
Very simple. Keep it please.
Please.
Here there is a button called barcode, see?
Yes.
Click on that. Your barcode is here.
It's already ready.
But it is in a different format.
Yes.
You can change the format. For changing the format, we can go to barcode section. I'm just changing the template. For example, I am selecting this template. So
Yes.
looks beautiful.
Yes.
I just selected that template. Okay.
Yes.
And from here you can print a barcode. Again, if you want to print it from the same page, you can print it in the same page. Yes.
Right.
Now in the different templates.
Right. Yes.
So just click on printer button and go here and select your printer. Like printer page size, everything you can check. Number of quantity, if you want to increase, you can increase. If you want to increase matter 10 pieces because 10 barcode labels we received.
Yes.
10 barcode print is coming over here, see?
So easy.
So easy.
And it's
now,
already 10.
yeah. Now this is all stickers.
Okay. So now.
Now you can take the sticker. See,
Yes.
this is a gum.
Yes.
Fix it there. And it's written there, bat with ball. What we added in the
added in that.
inventory.
Yes. And sale price also have come up.
Yes. Now, you can keep this product in your showcase.
Yes.
Now, when the customer come,
Uh-huh.
how to sell it?
Yes.
I will show you. Just keep it with you.
You have some
And
technology
yeah,
easy for that
yeah,
also?
very simple. See, go to the sales panel over here,
Yes.
and you can simply scan it. And now you can simply scan it.
Like here?
Yeah,
It's already
that's
done.
done. And just press on this button, Kit Pay.
Okay.
Plus, your bill is here.
The bill is ready.
If you want to take the print out, there is two options again.
Right.
There's 3 WhatsApp control systems are there. Just
Okay.
click on this button. Customer
Okay.
will receive their message on their WhatsApp.
The bill on
If
the WhatsApp.
if we added the
Ah,
customer
Okay.
directly as it is PDF file.
Right.
If you click on this button, see the this button,
F6.
and your print is there. So fast.
Wow.
So fast, easy.
And did you just see? It's already given the
10
discount.
rupees.
Saving also.
Why came that? We put MRP 120
Yes,
rupees,
yes.
sale price 110 rupees.
And it has already given the customer
Yes.
easy calculation.
Easy calculation. This is actually a demo.
Yeah.
A demo because we cannot do original billing there
Yes.
because they will face a GST problem. That's why we are doing a demo.
Wow.
A demo in this billing. After that, you can add your own inventory and do it with
easily.
your GST and all.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is a very simple process,
Yes.
easy to use.
Now I have so many products in my shop. Right?
Yeah.
So how do I?
Everything we have multiple options are there.
Okay.
We can add the product through Excel sheet as well.
Okay. Okay.
Like for example, now for checking your stock,
Yes.
you can go to records here. Records, stock in hand here. This is stock in hand. And here currently, how many products are there? Only one product is there, ball, bat with ball, and available quantity is 9. Because
We just built one.
we already sold one and 10 pieces we added to inventory first time.
This is so easy.
So easy, you know?
Yes.
So even if you do the purchase entry also, it will add on.
Right. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
It will add on. For example, like as you told me, for example, you have multiple products. For example, this is the Excel sheet.
Yes.
Now here you can see I just for demo purpose I added some products over here.
Yes.
And category ID is there, and your purchase price, sale price, GST, whatever it is, pieces, the unit.
Yes. Yes.
Everything I fill in the Excel sheet. Very simple. You can add thousands of products in the same Excel sheet.
Okay. Yes.
And what you can do, here you can see there is a example, this one. There is a subcategory ID is there.
Okay.
We can add as a separate subcategory or the same category we can add.
Okay.
So currently we will add in the same subcategory, no problem. We have a general categories there, we will add there. We can add in different categories. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Now I am just saving this Excel.
Yes.
Now as you seen, in our software only one product we have stock.
Yes.
Now what we will do, go to import export button, this button. Click on that, select your Excel sheet here, products. And here see,
Okay.
select your import Excel and in the desktop, right?
Yes.
Toys 2, yes,
Yes.
it came here. Everything, okay? And just save it. Successfully save, including stock. Now go to your records and stock in hand. Show all the products. See, everything came here with the stock.
Wow, this is so easy.
So easy.
So user friendly
Yes.
as well.
And for example, those products barcode label you want to create in
Yes.
bulk.
Yes.
You have option there. Go to barcodes there. Barcodes and general barcodes.
Yes.
Select all. For example, you want to make all the barcode label
Yes.
printouts. Or if you want to make particular numbers, you can select also.
Right.
And preview. See, this is the preview.
Yes.
Going to print it. Select our printer and just apply the print. Printout will come over here, see, directly.
And this
See?
is so
The,
quick.
see, each product name, toy bat,
Yes.
toy kitchen set, toy drill machine, toy JCB, educational something, yes, globe.
Yes.
And this one, see, educational
Right.
globe.
Yes. Yes. Wow.
Yeah, toy car, toy gun, everything. So we can remove, see, this is all stickers.
Yes.
Just fix it in the products.
I know.
And for selling, it's so easy. I will do some sales in front of you. Go to the sales panel
Right.
over here. See the fastness. Look at this.
Yes.
Now I'm just going to scan it. All here.
Everything is just
Everything
wow.
here.
Yes.
You can just click on this button. Please click.
Okay.
Keep pay. Your invoice is here.
Invoices here.
Click on this button. Yes, your bill is there.
The bill is out. Wow,
Very
this is-
easy,
This is so
very
easy.
simple.
This is not at all confusing.
Not at all
Now,
confusing.
I have another question.
Yeah.
So the point is now these kind of shops
Yeah.
are mostly operated by old people,
Yeah.
common people, somewhere in the villages or something.
Yes.
how will your team help them once this is installed?
We have our dedicated customer care team is there.
Okay.
They will connect them with any desk or team. Your instant service.
Instant service.
Instant service
So
is
how
there.
you explained it to me,
Yes.
they will explain it with that much clarity?
Exactly.
Completely from start to the end.
Yes.
Okay.
And thing is that this retail ID software once start use, no,
Yes.
we will feel much comfortable.
I know.
Because people in the market, they are not even using a software because they are afraid to use it.
Yes.
So many complicated
Yes.
software they spread in the market,
Yes.
and it's not able to use it, and
Yes.
they are just to throw it out.
Yes,
That's
exactly.
the situation is going on.
Yes.
But to be honestly, I can say you, a retail daddy, very
The
simple.
best. I know it is very, very simple. That's why I was asking you. So for common man,
Yes.
if they have any issues, they can call you anytime.
Yes.
Your team will be there to help them.
Exactly.
And this is the most easiest, I think.
Exactly.
In billing software,
Exactly.
everything is
And
listed
you
out.
see, like you see the buttons.
Yeah.
Why I put images means, for example, I will show you some example in front of you.
Yes.
See, I will show you some example. What is this?
Killa.
What is this?
Yes.
This is
The Lal Killa.
currency.
Yeah, currency. Yes.
Currency, right?
Yes.
How much the amount?
500.
500.
Yes.
But it's not written anywhere.
Yes.
But you recognize it,
Exactly.
right?
Yes.
And this is what?
100.
100 rupees
Yes.
currency, right?
Yes.
And I did not show you. I just closed this 100.
Closes, yes.
Same way. This one.
I know.
People will memorize the images.
Images
This is
more.
a psychology.
Yes.
But most of the software, 99% of the software, you just put a name,
Names.
readable names.
Yes, yes.
So it's a little bit hard
So
for
that
the
is
people.
why I call this interface user friendly.
Yes.
So user friendly.
Mostly, for example, even you check your mobile.
Yes.
Did you read every time Instagram here, or Facebook here?
No.
Never.
Just the icon.
Just the icon. Facebook F icon, you click it.
Yes.
And Instagram
the
I.
camera icon.
Yes, icon. Yes.
Yes.
We click it.
Yeah.
That's it. Same scenario
Even with
using here.
WhatsApp, the icon.
Each and every interface,
Yes.
we provided so many features are there.
Yes.
So we just saw only the front end.
Great.
See, a lot of features are there: barcode generation, settings,
yes.
messenger, administrator, everything.
So another question that comes into my mind.
Yeah.
Okay. So if someone is contacting you to get this retail daddy like I did,
Yeah.
how long will it take for them to start using it? What is the
Same day.
Same day.
Same day they can start.
Okay.
I will show you another method also.
Yes.
Shall I continue in the next part of this video?
Please, please.
Better.
Yes.